Okay, this is Florent, the mathematics user, and we are still looking at series and sequence and series. And we have a question on the board, and the question is the sum of the first n terms, Sn, of an arithmetic sequence is Sn is equal to 5n squared plus 6n. Find the third term. Now, so here we are going to find un. That is the term. Now, under this topic, the un is the s of n minus the s of n minus 1. So where the n represents the third term, where the n represents the third term. So here, we'll write it as u of 3 is equal to s3 minus 1, which means that we are going to work with our u3 being equal to s3 minus x2. Okay, so now we can now work with this to obtain our third term. Since we know that we need to find s of 3, then s2, then later we subtract. So now let's go. With u3, we are going to have, for this, we'll have x3 is equal to 5 into bracket 3 to the power 2 plus 6 multiplying 3, where we obtain 3 to the power 2 is 9. So 5 times 9 plus 6 times 3, which is 18. So now we obtain 45 here plus 18, giving us 63. Then we work for S2. So our S2 here is going to give us 5 times 2 all to the power 2 plus 6 times 2. Now we obtain 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. And 6 times 2 is 12. So now we obtain 32. Let's go back to our original formula. In another video, we'll prove this. So we said that our u3 is equal to the s3 minus the s2. Where now our s3 is 63 and our s2 is 32. And now 63 minus 32 is going to be 31, which means that our third term is 31. And this is Florent, the mathematics user.